Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Etsy as a seller. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to create your account on Etsy. So in your web browser, you will need just to type etsy.com so you can access the Etsy website. After that, you will need to click on sign in so you can sign in with your account. But in case you don't have an account, you will need just to click on register. So basically here, I'm just going to type an email address. So I will just go for something like that, arbitrary and random, and then I will type .com. You will add anything, and from here it will be something like that. And basically you can click on register. Now after registering and creating an account, you will be able to start creating an Etsy account. So basically just type sell on Etsy, and from here you will need just to click on get started. By clicking on get started, you will be able to start the process of creating your store. So here you will need just to choose the reason why you're creating the store. You can simply skip the question. You can choose anything you'd like help with so they can send you tutorials and articles about these specific things. And basically, you can also skip this question or click on next, and here you will start your shop. Now you will be needing just to add your shop preferences like language, name, etc. So you will just click on save and continue. You add the name of shop. Again, you save and continue, and you will add the stock for here. You can skip this here, and you can do whatever you'd like. If you want to create a listing, etc., you add your billing information, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.